Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover USDT sent to the wrong network. This is only possible if the wallet you sent the USDT belongs to you. And if this happens, or if this is the case, all you need to do to regain your USDT is to simply add the missing network. Seeing as you sent your USDT to a wrong network, you just have to add the missing network. So I'm going to be using an example to show you what to do. And the first step is, let's say you're sending your USDT from a centralized exchange like Binance. Open up your Binance, and if you do not have a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to gain 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you do so. Okay guys, and once you've logged in, all you need to do now is head over to the wallets section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're there, you're going to be dropped at the overview. And now all you need to do is simply check your spot wallets, because these are wallets that hold your assets. Check your spot, check your funding, or check your earning wallets. And as you can see, we've got USDT on the spot, on the funding wallets. So click on this USDT, click on the withdrawal option, click on the send via crypto network. Now we want to send our USDT from Binance to a wallet, and the wallet of choice for today is going to be my MetaMask wallet. Now I simply click on this MetaMask option, and once you're on MetaMask, in order to get your USDT address, click on the import token option and simply search for USDT. Now we've seen USDT, select USDT, scroll and click on the import option. Okay, and once the USDT has been added, click on this USDT option, scroll and click on receive, copy the address. Please take note of the network we are sending it on. It's on the Ethereum main network. Now all you need to do is minimize and open up your Binance. And with Binance opened up, the address section, paste the address there. And the network we're supposed to send it on is the ERC20, the Ethereum network. But we make a mistake and select the BNB, that's the Binance Smart Chain network. And all we need to do now is enter what we have, our available USDT, and send this available USDT by clicking on the withdrawal option. So we simply click on this withdrawal option, and our USDT has been sent to MetaMask address. Okay guys, and once you open up your MetaMask, you're going to notice that the USDT isn't available there. And that's because you sent it to a wrong network. So to correct that, all we need to do is simply click on the Ethereum main network option, and the drop down that says add a network, click on the add network option, and in the popular tokens, you'd find the Binance Smart Chain there, or you use the custom networks option. But if you do not have any of these options available to you, simply head over to the browser option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, you're going to be met with chainlist.org. The link is going to be in the description of the video. Simply scroll down and click on connect wallet option. Once you've connected your wallet, simply scroll down till you find the BNB Smart Chain main network. Click on this add to MetaMask option, and then click on the add or switch network. So once you've done this, you're going to head over to the wallet section again, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're there, you're going to find that your tokens are here. Now, in order to get your USDT present, all you need to do is click on the import tokens option. And by clicking on import tokens, search for the USDT, click on the Tether USDT, scroll down and click on the import option. And by doing this, your USDT is now going to be activated, or it's going to be shown. Okay guys, and by adding your USDT, you can find your crypto here. So do comment down below if you've got any questions.